Meaning of efficiency.
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 Efficiency. Efficiency refers to the ability to complete tasks or produce output with minimal waste of time, effort, or resources. It is a measure of how well one can achieve their objectives in the most effective manner possible. A high level of efficiency typically translates to greater cost savings, improved productivity, and increased profitability. When individuals or organizations operate with high levels of efficiency, they are able to achieve their goals more quickly and effectively, which ultimately contributes to greater success and growth. Improving efficiency is therefore a critical goal for many businesses and individuals looking to optimize performance and achieve their objectives.